Activities.
Activities.
What does Martha do?
What does Martha do?
She works at an office.
She works at an office.
She works on the computer.
She works on the computer.
Where is Martha?
Where is Martha?
At the cinema.
At the cinema.
She is watching a film.
She is watching a film.
What does Peter do?
What does Peter do?
He studies at the university.
He studies at the university.
He studies languages.
He studies languages.
Where is Peter?
Where is Peter?
At the café.
At the café.
He is drinking coffee.
He is drinking coffee.
Where do they like to go?
Where do they like to go?
To a concert.
To a concert.
They like to listen to music.
They like to listen to music.
Where do they not like to go?
Where do they not like to go?
To the disco.
To the disco.
They do not like to dance.
They do not like to dance.